What's up guys, my name is Talhan, you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Poco F4. So I got this smartphone for a very good price and that was just 23,500 Indian rupees. But I'm going to give you my opinion, like should you buy the Poco in the big billion sales where you can even get this for as low as 22,000 rupees. For that price, it's actually the best phone money can buy. But let's just find out why I think it's a very good deal. First of all, Poco is a good brand, but they have done some things in the past terribly wrong. They have made the Poco X3 Pro with very cheap quality motherboard. It got heartbreak within like 6 months to some users. For me, it got heartbreak within like 8 to 9 months, but yeah, almost everyone who had the Poco X3 Pro got heartbreak. And most of them sold it, most of them just installed custom ROMs and enjoyed like I did, and most of them just exchanged it with Flipkart. Now there are many people just like me who have exchanged their Poco X3 Pro with the Poco F4 because of two reasons. Number one, this is a very good smartphone. It seems very appealing and nice value for money when you look at it as a smartphone with Snapdragon 870 under 22,000 rupees. Like literally, OnePlus was offering this 6 months before for about 40,000 rupees with the OnePlus 9R. Now this seems like a really reasonable deal. But let's just find out why I think it's not the best, but it's not really bad as well. Let's just review the smartphone and give you my first impressions of this phone. So, after using the smartphone from 2 days, I'm gonna tell you that the display is actually gorgeous. Like if you're buying this smartphone for watching movies and playing games, this display is not gonna disappoint you by any means. It is a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display. It has 120 Hz of refresh rate, which means it's very smooth. And the best thing is it has MEMC, which is a very nice display technology which helps to make 30 FPS videos look smoother and give it a better feeling of smoothness. Like just convert 30 FPS videos into 60, which is super awesome. Then the second thing I love about the smartphone is its build quality. Like it has plastic sides for sure, but the glass on the back and the glass on the front feels really premium, and I just like this camera module. What do you think? I kind of like it. It's good according to me. And one more thing I love about this phone is the weight distribution. Not very thick like we had in the Poco X3 Pro. It's not that slim as well. It's perfect. It's very nice and comfortable to hold in the hand. And it doesn't have those sharp edges. It has very nice rounded edges, which makes it easy to hold, view, and also play games. Now the best part about this smartphone is it has an improved camera over the Mi 11X. Now the Mi 11X had a very terrible camera that was a 48 megapixel sensor. This one has a 64 megapixel OIS camera, but to be honest, this is also terrible. Like people said that it's good, it takes nice images. I mean, for images, it's just okay-ish, but for videos, it's actually good. And here's the reason why. I'm giving you my honest review. I have not been paid by Poco. I'm just giving you my honest review, and that's the best thing. So if you go in the camera app, you go in the back camera, go in video, you guys can see we have a lot of video options, and we also have this 4K at 60 FPS. Now that is the best option you get, but yeah, that's it. You can do 4K at 60 FPS under 22,000 rupees, which is insane. Like no other smartphone is offering you that facility. Then the main part, the processor. Snapdragon 870, hands down the best processor you can get under 22,000 or even 30,000 rupees, because Moto is still selling this 870 for around 32,000 rupees or at times 35 in the Moto S20 Pro. Here is the smartphone's price. So you can get an idea of how good the processor is. And most people know this, and I also know it, but in case you don't, this is the best and the most stable Snapdragon 8 series processor which is just ever released. And here's the reason why. It has minimal to zero heating. It doesn't heat up a lot, and even in the Poco F4, they have actually applied the 3200 copper cooling chamber to prevent it from overheating, and I think it's gonna work perfectly fine. So no problems in terms of heating. And overall, this phone seems very nice and promising. It will have a lot of custom ROM support as well in the future. So if you're looking for that, it's gonna have that. And the best part is it has Gcam support, it has custom ROM support, it is good processor for gaming, like for playing games as well, has an excellent display, just decent cameras, not the best, but it does the job. It's good enough for day-to-day use. And most importantly, the battery life is 4500 mAh, which is more than enough for a normal person. So that's my take on the Poco F4. I think if you're getting it under 25,000 rupees, even if you have to pay 23,500 just like I did, it's still worth your money. But that's my review. What do you guys think about the smartphone? Tell me in the comments below. What's your opinion? Will you ever buy a Poco phone again or not? Tell me in the comments below. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.